Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word essayed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She essayed a new approach to solving the problem, but it did not yield the desired results. Essayed means attempted or tried something, typically referring to making an effort to accomplish a task or achieve a goal through experimentation or testing. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.